First, download the MT5 custom EA to your computer. Then, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and click on File from the top menu. Select Open Data folder. This will take you to the root directory of your MT5 installation. Navigate to the MQL5 folder. Then click on Exports. This is where you will save the custom EA file. Go back to MetaTrader 5. Click View, Navigator. Right-click in the Expert Advisors and click Refresh. Drag the custom EA onto the chart and adjust its inputs as needed. Then, click OK. That's it. You are now ready to use the custom EA on the MetaTrader 5 platform.